Hi all, today I want to show you how to build this bomb chart using the native line chart. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, we have the position of each team on the left. We have the match days. We have 38 match days in EPL and then the final day ranking. So Manchester City came first on the 38th day. When you look at the first day, for example, we have Arsenal was fourth, Aston Villa 20th on the first day, and so on and so forth. So you see their ranking as time goes on, all the way to the last day. Okay, so this is the data we are going to use. You can see here the team names. We have the match days on top here, and we have their ranking on each day. So Manchester City was third on the first day, Arsenal was fourth, Liverpool 10th, and so on and so forth, all the way to the last day. Okay, so let's upload this in our new Power BI instance that I have here. Okay, so let me go and upload the file, Excel. You can also click it from here. So we have this. I'll use the second one. I'll select it here and click transform data. We need to transform our data. And this brings us here. I'll do a bit of twisting before we can start working with our visual. Okay, so as you can see here, we have column 1, column 2, and so on. And we have the main columns down here. So what we need to do is to select use first row as header. The moment I do that, you'll see everything on top here. So we have team. This should be, let me just change this one to team or club, anything. And this one has the SVG, the logo. So let me take it out. I don't need it. So I'll remove this column. And then we have the other columns here. Now, I have to unpivot the other column. So what I'll do is to select team here, right click, and select unpivot other columns. That way it will be easier for us to work with our visual. So here we have the team, we have the attribute. So this is going to be the match week or the match day. So match day here, and this is going to be their ranking. Okay. So I'll leave it as this. So the match day should be whole number. I'll change it to whole number. Check this one is test. This one is also whole number, which is good. So I think we are done here. So let's close and apply. Okay, it is loading. Good, we have our data ready here. I can change this to APL data. Okay, so let me go and bring in my line charts. Have it here. Okay, so on my x-axis, I need a match day. I need the ranking on my y-axis and the team in legend. Good, very good. I think we are almost there now. We'll do a bit of formatting. So the title here should be position. So I'll go to my formatting tool, go to Y, go to title, change this one to position. I'll make it a bit bold. Now I'll come down the x-axis Match day is already the title. I'll make it bold. Okay, so what we have to do now is to take out the legend. I don't need a legend here. So I'll take out the legend. Good, and then I'll go to series labels. Now you can see the various team here. Now, something interesting happening here. You see Manchester City down, Arsenal followed Liverpool, so it is actually upside down. So let's uh, reverse it to have Manchester City at the top, followed by Arsenal and Liverpool. Okay, so I'll go back to x-axis, y-axis, invert range. We have Manchester City on top here, which is good. So for the series, what I'll do is to make it a bit bold. Something like this. Now, this space in between, we have 40 here, even though we have 38 days. And also down here, we have from 0, 10, 20, which I want to change. So let's go to x-axis. And then here, instead of continuous, I'll select categorical. So I have it here. Now you can see we have 1, 2, 11, 7, which is not good. So we have to sort it. So let me go here, go to sort axis, select match day, and then we'll say ascending. Sorry, should be ascending. No. Sum 1. Now it should be match day, sorry. And then I go down here, ascending. So you can see, as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 38. Okay, so let me change the title. Go here, then I want to change the color to maybe something close to this, which is okay. Now, I'll make the X bold. I want to also add the markers. So let me go back here, select it again. Add the markers. Okay. And also I want to add the zoom slicer. This will help us to just reduce it to maybe 5, zoom it to 5, the first 5 teams. Then you have this, or you just take it down if you want to only look at the last teams down there. Now there is another thing that we need to do here. This is starting from 0. I want to hide the 0. Find a way to hide the 0. So what I'm going to do is to go to y-axis and say the minimum should be 0.5 so that we can have some space here. Now down here, look at the last team, 20, Sheffield United is all the way down, and I want to have some space down there. So the maximum should be, we have 20 teams, so I can say 20.5. This gives us some small space down there. Now the grid lines, I don't need it, so I can take out this horizontal grid lines, and I think we are good. For the x-axis, I want to make it bold. Yeah. So as you can see, we have Manchester City on top here, and then they start as third on the first day. So you can see their rankings all the way from first to the last one. Just a change of the background. Let me just go here, select this. Just make this. If I take it out, you can see the background there. I'll make it 90, and then I'll make the line chart itself transparent. So let me go to size and style, and then take this out. Okay, so I think this is what I'd wanted to share with you. I'm sure you learned some one or two things from it. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you.